Good day, everyone. Hey, welcome to Pixel Lab tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to design this amazing customized logo and how to design something like this. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. As you all know, let me quickly show you exactly how you can design from your scratch to the end. This is the pixel lab interface. Just open the pixel lab and click on the shapes. Then after clicking on the shapes, then come directly to relative position and position it to the center. Then select another shapes, give it a white color, then position it very well and cut out some parts exactly the way I'm doing it. You have to follow the steps strictly for you to be able to achieve this particular design. So make sure you position it very well to your own desired taste, exactly the way I'm doing it. As you can see, I already select a particular shapes, round shapes. Then I give it a black color. Then I select another shape, place it on top of the black round shapes that I first selected. Then I'm trying at least to rotate it very well and move it so that I'll be able to cut a part, a particular part. So after I position it, I will merge it together. Then go to my erase color, then erase a particular part out of it. As you can see, this is the tiny circle that I really wanted. Then I will go directly to um sorry I'll go directly to rotation and rotate it a little bit. Then after that, I'll go to my test options. Sorry, I'll go to my test options. After locking the first steps, go to your test option, then type Z. Then go to your font and give a beauty bent font. Select it and increase the size of the font, I mean the text. Then go to your padding. Go to your padding and enable the padding for the text to be able to show us clearly. It will be able to show the entire text. Go to your padding and enable it. Then move it to the left and to the right. Then position it inside the half circle that is just selected. After that, we go to your sorry, beautiful rose. I change it to beautiful rose instead of beautiful this thing. I change it to a beautiful rose. That's the font I use. Then I use a padding to be able to show the left or the entire left and the right. So after that, I have to go to select the shapes as you can see. Then use my mask to select a particular cut out a particular shape. Go to your mask and move it, the center one, move it to the left hand side at the top edges. Then move the first hand down exactly like this and go to the second, the right options and move it like that. Then you click on the out and click copy. Then move it part out at the left hand side and position it very well to be able to form the desired shape you wanted. Look exactly how I'm doing it. So do it and position it very well. So as you can see, you see the way I'm position it. So after doing that, then you see that there is a little particle at the top of the or what you just cut out. Then you can merge a particular text together with it, move it in, then merge it together for it to cut out the little particle that might destroy the shape. Then you move it out. Then you reduce the size and place it at the middle of the Z that you first selected. After you are succeeding in doing that, you can actually lock it as you can see. Then you go with your right up. You see seek out collection. Then go to your shape and select a particular shape, font that you really want. I chose rose font. Beauty rose font. The same font I use with the Z at the top is what I use for the right top. Then you position it the way I'm positioning it. Then now we have to choose a particular color we wanted to use. To go with the pink and black using your gradient. Black and pink. Then you position it like this. Position it well and give it a stroke. 2. Let the stroke be 2. So after that, you give it a color as the gradient. Then the middle, give it a color as well, gradient. So what about the black shapes? Black circle that was cut out. You give it white color. Then now we are good to go. We are good to go. So as you can see, we're almost there. Then select a small shape like exactly like this. Position it at the bottom of the brand name. Then write the slogan there. So we're almost there. Then you position it very well. Give it a color, exactly the same color you are maintaining. Then now do your right up and give it a color white. So you make sure that you position it very well. Position your right up after you wrote you've already wrote your the slogan. You position on top of the shape that you cut out. Give it a white color. After that, we are going to directly to seal with transparent background and do our markup successfully. So you make sure that you go directly to bold and you bold it. Then increase the stroke to 2. So almost there. So after that, you merge it as you can see the way I'm doing it. Then I'm trying to save with transparent background. So after that, you make sure that you stretch it out a little bit to make it to be bold and save with ultra. That is HD format. Don't forget to save with PNG. Now we are going to go to our mockup photopea. So as you can see, this is my phone exactly. I'm trying to show you. So I'm going to exactly show you how you can edit your markup on your Android smartphone without using a photopea. So what you are going to do is to click on your Chrome browser. Click on your Chrome browser. Then you type www.photopea.com. Then it will load and show the interface as you can see www.photopea.com. So we're almost there. So after that, after it's almost load, so you click on your file at the left hand side. So when you click on your file, option will pop up. Then you make sure that you click on the open. Click on the open. So after it's open, then you click on the file for you to be able to penetrate into your gallery where you save your PSD file. Don't forget to extract your PSD file to your phone. Now locate the kind of the markup that you really wanted to edit. So after that, you click on it and it's loading. You have to wait half a more patient because it's not magic. You wait for the markup to be able to display. Wake up, wait for it. Now the result is already out. Don't forget, the next step is to click on the lay. Click on the lay. You see the area where I circle. You click on it. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the layer that make up the design that you're looking at. So after the layer, then you see the first option at the layer option is to place your logo here. You see the black spot at the middle. There is a black dot as well. Just double tap it for the new uh, uh, layer to pop up. Where I circle, just double tap it. Yes, we're almost there. So after that, you do that. You go directly to your file again. Then you click open and place. So after you click on open and play, use import the design we just made with our PC lab, as you can see. And the step I'll use or that I took is very simple. When you double tap the where place your logo is, it will pop up either one or two options. So after you have already imported, you let me move on. You see the way I click is an icon that you'll be able that will allow you to increase or decrease the design that you imported from the pixel lab. You see the way after I increase it, then I position it very well. Then you click on uh you click on save with smart objects. Click on save with smart objects. At this juncture, you don't need to stress yourself. Just be looking at the face or at the screen of the computer for you to be able to see whether there is what, for you to be able to make a reference to the error that might emanate at the end of the day. So smart object updated, we are good to go. So here, that is where we have to that is where we have to be patient, extraordinary patient, so that there will be any issue. So we are still so after that, you have to click on the 3D at or the mockup at the top, the way I click it, or click on the layer, so that when it done processing, it will transform automatically to our own desired taste. So we have to be looking and look at the result, how it will come out. We are still waiting for transformation. So what's the monitor? So now the result is out. As you can see, after clicking on the smart object updated, then we see the result is out. Now I want to show you how you can go about do some crazy stuff to beautify your design or make it standard at the end of the day. So you have to click on the layer. So after click on the link, you make sure that where I circle, you try at least to choose either that can multiply and so on and so forth. So let's choose one right now. Then we look at it, how the result will look like. At the end of the day, these are the ways in which we can check, we can uh, have a standard. Yes, this is where you can be able to know how to or manipulate or edit some markup in our Android 42p. As you can see, I'm trying to change those options to uh, either I yeah, either there is a what there is a standard in what we're designing or not. So we have to pay an attention and change all those area one after to the other. Or whether there is adding color that you wanted to use, or there are some area in which you wanted to correct before it will be carried out. So we'll soon be there. So at the end of the day, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video interesting, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I updated a new channel like this. So I'm trying to apply some effort by clicking on that particular spot where I first or circle for us to be able to get everything. So the next thing we are going to do after that is to click. Sorry, I'm trying to zoom out, zoom in for me to be able to see the effect of what I just applied. You see, it's awesome. So I'm still changing to see how far. Almost there. So the next thing is to try at least to switch and look at how it work. So now I think this is okay. Click on the file at the left hand side, then you click on export as, click on PNG and click on download. Let's feed the result and see how it will look like. So thanks for watching. These are the what this is exactly the result of what we just designed. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I updated a new channel. Thanks for watching. Sorry. God bless you. So we're almost done where I'm trying to see with smart object right now. As you can see, after clicking the file, then I click on export as PNG, then I save. Let's look at the result. The result is just this. Thanks for watching. God bless you.